Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and on this video, I'm going to show you how to effectively check your answer in a math problem using Classwiz. Okay? But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the bell button so that you will be notified whenever I'm going to upload a new one. So if you're ready, let's begin. Okay. The problem that I'm going to use on this video is the one that I posted on my Facebook group, okay, Learn Math with Sir Mark, okay. So the problem is for grade 8, intended for quarter 1, week 1. So here it is. So there are two problems, okay, so in which na-solve ko na siya on a separate video. If you want to watch it, you can find the link on the video description below. Okay, so this is the problem. The answer is 2019 square root of 3. Now, our objective is how are we going to effectively use this Classwiz, this technology, to check whether our answer is correct or not. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to assign this value, 2020 raised to 3 minus 2018 raised to 3 to x. That is 2020 raised to 3. Alright, minus, okay, 2018 raised to 3. Alright, so zoom natin yung screen natin. Okay? There you go. So, this is what you can see on my screen. Okay, again, 2020 raised to 3 minus 2018 raised to 3. Then I'm going to press this button above 7, yung stop, short for store. I'm going to click it and then press X. See that? So, yung arrow na yan, okay, yung arrow na yan, going towards X, meaning to say, whenever you're going to press X, that means 2020 cube minus 2018 cube. See that? Okay, so, then that's it. All you have to do is to enter this expression. Alright, that is square root of x minus 2. Alright, x minus 2. Okay, all over 2. There you go. See that? So the answer here is 3,497.01. Okay? 3,497.01. So, paano natin ma-check? So, meaning to say, if you're going to enter 2019 square root of 3, dapat same sila ng value, which is correct. 3,497.01. See that? Okay? Ayan no, look, 3497.01 yung value nito, okay? Again, yung x natin is 2020 cube minus 2018 cube. See that? There you go. Okay, so that's it. Next, let's check the second problem. So in this one, ang problem natin is ito, if cube root of x plus 9 minus cube root of x minus 9 equals 3, find the value of x. So our answer is x equals plus minus 4 square root of 5. So like what we did, so check natin, okay, using the calculator. So this time, I'm going to assign, check ko muna yung negative. Okay. Negative 4 square root of 5, then i-assign ko siya kay x. Again, how to do it? Press store. See that? Meron kang icon doon, okay, meaning i-assign mo kay x. There you go. Then that's it. So, all you have to do is to enter this left side of equation. Left side lang. Why? Look, cube root, okay, cube root of x plus 9, alright, minus shift cube root of x minus 9. Okay? Dapat, kapag prines ko yung equal sign, the answer here should be 3. See that? There you go. Okay? So, that's it. Again, we assign negative 4 square root of 5. So, meaning that answer is correct. Okay? So, substitute, enter this expression that will give you 3, which is the given. Okay? Next, how about kung 4 square root of 5? That's it. Ganun pa rin. So, yung 4 square root of 5, i-store natin kay x. So, dapat makita nyo yung arrow towards x. Then, that's it. So, enter the same. So, shift, cube root, x, plus 9, alright, minus shift cube root x minus 9. Once again, kapag prines ko yung equal sign, the answer that will be displayed on our screen should be equal to 3. There you go. See that? So I hope you learned something on this very short video. So once again, I'm inviting all of you to join our Facebook group. Okay? Learn Math with Sir Mark. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Keep safe.